Hi everyone, welcome back to the session. So guys, today's session we're going to learn EDI 856. Okay, so EDI 856 is nothing your advanced shipping notice. So let's start the demo. So first question would be what is an EDI 856? So EDI 856, also known as an advanced shipping notice or ASN. So is an important and frequently used in EDI transaction among the suppliers, distributors, manufacturers and retailers. So the ASN is used to advise the receiving party of a shipment, and it is required by many major retailers to be sent on a specific time frame before the product arrives at the retailer distribution center or store. Okay, so it means advance, it means before supplying the product it will require one shipping notice, and that shipping notice nothing but your ADI 856. So next slide we can see what are the essential components of a ADI 856. So an ASN needs to contain important information about the order itself as well as the details of the shipment. Key element of ADI 856 includes first shipment number, second shipping date, third expected delivery date, fourth ship from to address and information. Then next purchase order number, then next item details and quantities. After that shipment tracking details, example BOL number, pro number, tracking number, and item tracking details where applicable, that is serial number or lot numbers. So packaging details, example which items are in specific carton, which cartons on each pallet, etc. So in next slide you can see this is just an example shipment notice, pick and pack. Here you can see this number, here date is available, timing is available, ship from, ship to, and then transaction purpose, ship date, ship timing, scheduled delivery, delivery time, as well as SCSC SCAC routing, bill of landing, Amazon reference number, ARN. After that, PO number, store details, carton details, carrier tracking, year bill, all things you can see in this slide. Okay, so this is basically the ASN, advanced shipping notice. So how do I use EDI 856? So after receiving an order and preparing a shipment, the sellers or suppliers, they need to let the buyer, such as a retailer or distributor, know the details for the shipment they are about to receive. Okay, so basically buyer, we need to let them buyer, such as a retailer or distributor, what they receiving in the shipment. So this helps the buyer to plan ahead for incoming shipments, reconcile EDI 856 details with incoming inventory, and automate receiving workflows. So that's why we use 856, and that is the basic purpose of the ADI 856. Okay. So this slide specifies what are the benefits of a ADI 856. So by using the ADI 856 to send advance ship notice, first, by using the ADI process to send advance ship notice. Second would be a seller can quickly and easily keep buyers informed of upcoming deliveries because the EDI document pulls the data directly from the order itself, as well as other shipping documents. This method also helps prevent errors. Okay. Third would be a supplier can use ASNs to streamline partner communication while creating an electronic document trial, trial for each shipment and in case of a discrepancy. So last, like this slide, this point, basic use of the EDI 856. It's for retailers using EDI 856 helps them to track inbound inventory and plan labor based on the upcoming deliveries. Additionally, ASNs allows buyers to automate the receiving process to quicker put away. After receiving EDI 856, a buyer respond with the EDI 997 functional acknowledgement. Okay, so EDI 856 is for your ASN and EDI 997 is for a functional acknowledgement. After you after the receiving EDI 856, buyer respond with the EDI 997. And this is basically just a standard example of a EDI 856. Here you can see the HT star asterisk symbol 856, asterisk symbol 0000. Okay, so guys, that's all about today's demonstration. I hope you like and enjoy this session. So please like, share, and subscribe. In next demonstration, we'll come up with a new session regarding the EDI related. Also, we can see the B2B related transaction details, everything. So stay tuned, stay happy, stay connected. Thank you so much. Have a great day ahead.